Hey everyone, Ian here, and today I'm going to show you how to replace the battery in a Nissan key fob. This key fob here is for 2012 Nissan Rogue, but I'm sure this will work for many different makes and models of Nissan. So first, we're going to take the key out. There's a little lock mechanism here that allows you to pull the key out. Next, we need to get this apart. You see there's kind of a groove or a split around the whole outside here. So we're just going to grab a pry tool. I actually like to use this little metal pry tool here, but you can use a plastic pry tool as well. And then I like to start at the top, and you kind of just get in between the two pieces here. And you'll start hearing some clicks. Those clicks are good. There's actually little plastic clips inside here that are holding it together. Once you start one, you just kind of go around the side using your leverage, and it just pops right open. If this is your first time opening the key fob, it might be a little more difficult. Don't be afraid to kind of wrench at it. With the battery, you can take a plastic. I would recommend using plastic for this just because it is a battery. And just kind of get underneath that battery and it'll pop right up. Make sure to make note of how the battery's in there. You see how it's blank facing up to you, and it's got the writing facing down. And this battery is a CR2025. I'll have an Amazon affiliate link down in the description, but you can buy these batteries anywhere. So I've got my new battery here, same thing. All the writing is going to go down, and once that's in, you'll just place this together and it'll snap right back in place. And that's it. Battery's replaced. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.